Guinness wings, a great recipe for your next Super Bowl party. I'm Greg from Stewie's Barbecue, and let me show you how it's done. Hey everyone, welcome to finally another episode of Stewie's Barbecue. I have not been able to smoke this winter. It's been too cold. Today, though, it's beautiful outside. I can actually get outside, and we're going to do a Super Bowl recipe, something that you could do for your Super Bowl that involves both meat and beer. So it's fantastic. First of all, I want to say congratulations to the
Kansas City Chiefs,
and
Philadelphia Eagles.
I'm making it to the Super Bowl. So let's get going on this recipe. We're doing Guinness wings today. They're going to be fantastic. But as you can see, I've got the wings laid out here. I have got some big honking. Look at the size of this wing. Like, it's massive. These wings are humongous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these seasoned up. I'm going to use the gospel, just a little bit of rub on each side, not a whole lot. And then I'm going to put the big guys on first, and the little guys will go on about a half hour after that because the big guys are going to need some more time. So let's get to seasoning them, and then I'll get them onto the smoker. 275 with hickory pellets. And then we're going to, once they hit around 180 to 185, we're going to take them off, put them on the barbecue. We're going to crisp up the outside, get the nice little char on those, and then we'll bring them in and give them a taste test. Okay, so let's get them all seasoned up here right now. All right, as you can see, they're all around 180, 185, which is perfect. I've got the barbecue going here right now, so we're going to bring them over to the barbecue and we're going to crisp up the outside and char them. Okay, all in all, everything took around 2 hours. I actually turned the temperature up to 300 degrees just because of the size of those wings. They were huge. It actually turned out to be a really good plan because it worked out perfectly. I got them done in 2 hours. I did a nice little crisp up on the barbecue. As you can see, they look gorgeous. These are the big guys, the ones that look like turkey wings. And then I got my little guys in here. Okay, so let's sauce these up and plate them. I forgot the sauce. All right, so for sauce, I've got the Bullseye Guinness barbecue sauce. Now you could make your own Guinness barbecue sauce. That's totally up to you. A lot of extra work. I really like this. It's delicious. So let's put this on. I've already got a bit in here. I heated it up in the microwave. I do not ever recommend putting cold sauce on something hot, if or even room temperature. Heat it up a bit. It'll make everything taste even better. It gives it a little bit more flavor. Makes it feel like it's still warm as well. So we're just gonna toss these. Okay, so I got the sauce in here and we're just going to move them around, sauce them up, and then let's plate them. Okay, I've got everything plated up. It looks fantastic. I added some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of green onion on there for some ambiance, a little bit of ranch dip, and of course, I poured myself a Guinness. I mean, we're having Guinness wings. Got to have a Guinness, one of my favorite beers. Let's give it a taste test and see how it tastes. All right, it's absolutely delicious. That sauce is really good. I love it. The wings are nice and tender. These things are just, it's almost like I'm holding a turkey leg here. These things are so huge. But highly recommend this one. You can press your guests with it, serve a Guinness with it. I mean, it's a win-win. I'm Greg from Stewie's Barbecue, and if you want to see more videos, just hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notifications button if you want to know when I drop my videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.